So this is a client application. We just did a few modification in a client application. In this application, actually, client just gave us like a encrypt file, decrypt file, and download option with image encryption. We just changed the modifications, like we added generate private key, load a key, and backup key. With this generate private key, we can generate a private key for the user. For this, we have to log in as an admin, because no one can, other than the admin, no one can generate a private key. So I'm just logging as an admin by using user ID and password. Now I'm just generating the private key for the user. So now the private key is generated. I'm just loading the private key by using load key option. Here, I just want to enter the username what we have given previously. For that user, it will automatically take the private key and load it into the application. Now you can see the private key was loaded here. So with this application, we can encrypt or decrypt any sort of file. So I'm just choosing the file here from my desktop. So I'm gonna encrypt this file by using a private key. Now here you can see the file output. This is the original output of the file. Now I'm gonna encrypt using this private key of the particular user. Mhm. So now you can see the file was encrypted. This was the encrypted output data. We can download the encrypted file using the download option. So I just downloaded the encrypted file. It was saved in this particular location. Now, if I want to transfer this file, I can transfer as an encrypted file to one particular user, from one particular user to other particular user. Now, only on the user uh, can see only the encrypted data. If he want to see the original data, he needs to decrypt using that particular user private key. Now, for the user in the other end entered the private key of the particular user who sent the file. So now I'm just decrypting the file using that particular private key. Now it just decrypted and showed the original content of the file. So we can download the original content of the file by using this application. So I just saved the original content of the file. Now, by using this application, we can also back up the same saved encrypted and decrypted file. Uh, for this particular application, we just develop the code, like we just give dynamic access for the user to save whatever location he wants. Like he can choose the location according to his requirement. Now I'm just saving these files into the output folder by giving the username. It just back up the data successfully. If you want to back up the data using a hard disk or any other disk, we can directly connect. It will give access to the user to select the access. Now I'm gonna show you like the saved files. Here you can see I just saved using username 2. If I open that particular folder, you can see the encrypted and decrypted files saved in a particular location, and the private key for that particular user saved in the other location, like in the private key folder. Here you can check the private key of this particular user. If you want to copy the private key manually, you have to come this location and you need to copy this private key. Thank you.